Okay guys, for today's recipe, I'm making vegetable with pasta and shrimp. So I have extra cabbage. I put onion and garlic and carrots and sesame oil. And I have shrimp and pasta. So para hindi masayang vegetable ko, lutuin na natin. And pepper. And I put oyster sauce too. Let's add a little bit oyster sauce. And then little bit of liquid seasoning para masarap, pampalasa rin ito. Tapos dahil luto na yung shrimp, my shrimp is already cooked, and my pasta, I will mix this. Okay, let me mix this first. My shrimp. And then mix the pasta para hindi masira yung pasta. Gawan natin ng paraan. See? Fiesta na naman sa Toronto. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching for all my videos. I appreciate it. Yun lang. Okay guys, thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless. This is done. Bye-bye. Masarap ang luto ko. Kain na po.